Want to speak real Persian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at PersianPod101.com. You are sitting on a train that is about to arrive at the next train station. Suddenly, a notice appears on the display. What does the message on the display mean? What does the message on the display mean? The display reads, "The next stop is the last stop."
ایستگاه بعدی ایستگاه پایانی است.
You've lost your wallet at a train station. Hoping to get your wallet back, you go to look at a map of the entire train station. Where is the Lost and Found office located? Where is the Lost and Found office located? The Lost and Found office is located in number 5 on the first floor.
شماره 5 در طبقه اول.
You are on a platform at a train station where you stumble across a notice. What does this notice mean? What does this notice mean? The notice reads, "This platform will be closed for maintenance between 11 p.m. and 5 a.m."
این سکو به علت تعمیرات از 11 شب تا 5 صبح تعطیل خواهد بود.
You are at a train station where you stumble across a large notice on a bulletin board. What does the notice say? What does the notice say? The notice reads, "Express trains will not run on New Year's Day."
قطارهای تندرو در روز اول فروردین حرکت ندارند.
You've just gotten off a bus at a bus terminal. Suddenly, a person hands you a leaflet. What kind of deal is offered on this leaflet? What kind of deal is offered on this leaflet? The offer is buy 2, get 1 free.
2 تا بخر 3 تا ببر.
You're about to have lunch in a local restaurant. What's included with the main course? What's included with the main course? The sign says 50% discount for ladies.
تخفیف 50% برای خانم ها.
You're about to order your lunch and you're interested in the lunch menu. What does the lunch menu say? What does the lunch menu say? The lunch menu says that today's special is spicy chicken with grilled vegetables.
غذای روز خوراک مرغ تند کباب سبزیجات.
There's a notice at the bottom of the lunch menu. What does the notice say? What does the notice say? The notice says that 9% tax is added to the amounts above.
9% مالیات به مبالغ فوق اضافه می شود.
You're finished with your meal and you're looking at the dessert menu. What kinds of drinks can you choose with the chocolate cake? What kinds of drinks can you choose with the chocolate cake? The menu shows that you can choose from coffee or tea.
قهوه، چای.
You just had lunch, paid and received your receipt. What is marked with a circle? What is marked with a circle? The circled parts of the receipt tell you the subtotal and the total.
جمع جمع کل
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.